Hello, students. Okay, I wanted to give you some information before you get started on your assignment for today. I wanted to make it kind of fun and exciting for you guys since you aren't here in class during everything that we're doing today. In lieu of a typical lesson, I wanted you to go over some strategies that you already know. Okay, so I gave you a comprehension packet for reading workshop today. And what you'll be doing is you'll be reading the text that I provided for you called the train set. After you read through the text, which will be on pages slide 1 and slide 2, you're going to go and answer the questions about the text. Okay? An example. For number 1, it asks, which of the following events happened first? Okay? Well, after reading the text, you're going to find which of these answer choices fits best along with the text. Whenever you find the answer choice that you believe is the correct answer, you're going to grab one of these squares here and highlight whichever answer you pick. So in this case, I'm just using it as an example. I picked this answer to be the correct one. Okay, if you need to make it fit, it's okay. You can drag and click to make it fit the box. Okay, you're going to want to leave your answer choices highlighted so that you can find them easily later. You'll do that for every single answer choice. You'll go through and you'll click the correct answers that you believe are correct after you find the evidence within the passage. Okay? After you've filled in every single question up to question 10, you're going to want to look at slide 4. Okay? This is going to be a mystery picture that you're going to have to fill in. Okay? Whenever you look at the text or the questions after reading the text, after you answer every single question, you're going to go look back at question number 1. Okay? Question number 1 will coincide with the number ones on your paper. So for question number 1, if I found that my answer was that Ewald reaches for the paintbrush to paint the train green, okay? Well, underneath, if you notice, there is a color, the name of a color listed right here. It says white. So if my answer for the question that I answered, number 1, says white underneath it, for all of the number 1 fill in the blank spots, I'm going to pick the white colors, okay? It could be a square or it could be a triangle. So in this case, I would drag the white square to the 1, and I will do that for every single one of the 1 boxes, okay? And remember, I'm just using this as an example right now and not actually giving you the correct answers necessarily. Okay, you're going to have times where you might need to fill in a triangle instead of a square. In this case, you can use a triangle, and notice how the triangle will fit here, but it will not fit in this space here. In that case, you can actually click this button and drag it around to let it be oriented to the correct position. Okay, you can also do this for some of the other spots within the picture. So in this case, we have a spot where the 5 is turned around this way. So you can actually fill in the blank just like this. Okay, so anytime you need to rotate your triangle, that is how you do it. You grab here and you rotate, and you can fill in all of your mystery picture. Okay. In the very end, whenever you've finished reading the passage, answering all the questions, make sure to leave your answer choice boxes on the answers that you find are correct, and also filling in the entire mystery page. Go ahead and save the file and then send it in to me through Google Classroom. I can't wait to see what your mystery picture is. Have a great day of learning.